Turn the ignition off and place the transmitter key at least 2 meters away from the vehicle. Then remove the lower tailgate trim. To do this, unclip the upper covers of the handles. Underneath are 4 metal brackets, which can be removed using a suitable tool. The lower tailgate cover can then be pulled off to get access to the electrical connections. Disconnect these connectors. Then remove the panel completely. Now for the central tailgate panel. When removing, check the clips for damage and replace any that are damaged. Disconnect the electrical plug of the rear view camera. Unlock the retaining clip and fold it up. Now you can remove the rear view camera. The installation is carried out in the reverse order. However, when installing the central tailgate panel, make sure that you first insert the guide into the tailgate. Once everything is installed, start the rear view camera with the diagnostic system and then calibrate it.